Here's how to delete a post on TikTok. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And to get to all of your posts or videos, tap on Profile at the bottom right. And here are all of my videos. Let's say I want to choose one that doesn't perform very well and delete it. Let's say this one. Now, if I wanted to delete this, you're going to look for those three dots at the very bottom right. You can see right under the Save button. Just tap on those three dots and you can see download here. I would highly recommend first downloading it so you have a copy if you ever wanted to restore it. So just tap on download and then let's hit allow full access. Let's next just tap on those three dots. Man, it wants to ask for a lot of stuff. After tapping on those three dots, just swipe over at the very bottom until the end. And there is the delete button. Just tap on that delete. And it says restore posts within 30 days from your activity center in the settings. So I can hit the delete button and just like that, it is removed. If I ever wanted to restore it, again, just tap on those three lines at the top right. And then tap on settings and privacy. And from here, you'll be able to see if you scroll down to the activity center, just tap on that and you can see recently deleted. I'll be able to tap on that and there is that video. If I ever wanted to get it back, I can just tap on it and restore it back.